Then Luigi just came somewhere. He said, I'm so bored. What can I do? What can I do? Ow! You see, the people that shouldn't supposed to see your face. Remember? Remember, see?
Oh yeah, but I can't.
I'm trying to. What can I do? Hey, what is that? Let me see. Oh, it's a guitar. I've never seen that before. I'm gonna play it. Oh no, it's broken. I have to tell somebody. When Flashbird got back. Alright, guitar, I'm back. Break my guitar. What was that noise?
What happened?
Who break my guitar? Luigi, I'll put you up. I know it's you. God. And that's all the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yes.
So bye.